Green Detox Weight Loss Drink, Part 1. Ingredients: 1 cup of spinach, 1 to 2 cucumber, 1 green apple, 1 lemon, 1 tablespoon of grated ginger, 1 cup of water, a handful of fresh mint leaves. Instructions: wash all the ingredients thoroughly. Peel the cucumber and chop it into small pieces. Core the apple and chop it into small pieces. Peel and grate the ginger. Squeeze the juice from the lemon. Add the spinach, cucumber, apple, ginger, lemon juice, mint leaves, and water into a blender. Blend until smooth. Pour into a glass and enjoy immediately for the best results. Subscribe and follow on other social media platforms.
Please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.